prépositions avec les articles. So it will be the first step into this big thing that we will do concerning the preposition, les prépositions, because it's quite important in French. And then I thought it might be important to, well, work on them at this point of our learning process. Okay, so first here in this video we'll work on a and then de, and especially when you combine these two prepositions with articles. So we'll see first the indefinite, so les articles indéfinis, un, une, des, okay? And after that we'll see les articles définis, le, la, les, okay? And especially we'll concentrate on the way these prepositions will react in a way when they are combined with these articles, okay? So the first one that we will discover together will be a, okay? And so we'll see avec les articles définis. So remember, les articles définis, it would be translated in English as a something, okay? But then in French we've got the difference between the masculine form, so it's un, the feminine form it's une, and the plural form it's des, okay? So let's see now. I've been making few examples. So I did take this parler verb, to talk, because it's quite interesting. You can use it with the preposition a, to talk to, okay? And it's also possible to use it with the preposition de, to talk about something, okay? So that's the reason why I wanted to use this verb, just to show you that, well, basically it's possible to use two prepositions if you want to express something different, and then just to see how it will change if you put an article after that. So the first sentence, je parle à un homme. Okay, un homme, a man. Je parle à un homme. Okay, I talk to a man. So in that case, what you can see is that you keep your preposition à here right after the verb, and then you put your article, and basically nothing happens. Okay, je parle à un homme. So let's see an example with the feminine. Je parle à une femme. Okay, une femme, a woman. Je parle à une femme. Same thing here. Nothing happens. So it's actually quite easy. And then have a look here. Je parle à des amis. All right. Je parle à des amis. Same thing here. You've got your preposition, and then you've got the article. So un masculin, une, des. Okay, so the good news is that if you use this preposition à, and after that you put this article indéfini, un, une, des, nothing will happen. No modification, no changes, you just keep them like that. Okay, let's see now if you want to put this article défini. Okay, remember article défini, if you want to translate that in English, it would be the something, okay? But then, as usual in French, we've got the difference between the masculine form, le, the feminine form, la, and the plural form, les. Okay, so remember, masculine, le, feminine, la, and then the plural, les. Okay, so let's have a look now. If we keep, well, the same verb, as I said, you know, je parle, parler, to talk, and in that case, you can have a look and you can see that it's been changing a little bit, okay? So a plus le will become o, like that. You write it au, you pronounce it o, okay? Je parle au directeur. Directeur, translation, director, okay? Je parle au directeur. Let's see the feminine form. Je parle à la directrice, okay? Directrice, director, but the feminine form, okay? Je parle à la directrice. So here you can see that, well, nothing happens, so you still have your preposition à, and then you've got your article here, okay? So nothing changes when you get the feminine form. And let's see the plural form now. So you've got the directors, so it's the plural form. Je parle au directeur. Okay, so you can see that here you combine a plus les, and you will get this aux, okay, and then phonetically you produce it or you pronounce it o. Okay, so here o, masculine form, plural form o as well. And for your information, it could be, so I did put this directeur here, okay, it could be directrice, so it could be the feminine plural. It wouldn't change anything because it will be still this o, okay, so it will be for the masculine or the feminine plural, it will be aux, o. All right, so je parle au directeur, so here for the masculine, je parle à la directrice, here for the feminine, je parle au directeur for the plural. All right, so if we want to make it clear, then we can say that a plus le will become o, okay, then a plus la, well, will stay the same, a la, it doesn't change at all, and then a plus les will become o, aux, but then remember that phonetically it's o. Okay, so that's the main thing that you should remember if we talk about this preposition a combined with the article, les articles définis here. Okay? And now let's have a look at de. So exactly the same thing, we'll see how de will react. So first avec les articles indéfinis, okay, so un, une, and then des. All right, so I took this parler again, okay, so, but that, keep in mind that if we've got this parler and then we use the preposition de, then it's to talk about something. All right, so here, je parle d'un homme. All right, so normally we should have here de un homme, but well, as you know, we've been seeing that quite often now. It's not a new thing. Remember that here will disappear, and then you will put this little apostrophe, d'un homme. Okay, je parle d'un homme. All right, but then the thing is that no major modification will be done because you just keep your de. Well, the needs to disappear, but then still you've got your article. Okay, je parle d'une personne. Okay, une personne, a person. Je parle d'une personne. So exactly the same thing here. Nothing major happens. Only this disappear. But then that's the only thing that you should remember to do if you want to combine the two. All right. The tricky thing is here when you want to combine de and des. All right, just because we think that it would sound strange to have this de, des, roman. Okay, so the thing that will disappear will be the article. Okay, so that's the reason why we get this je parle de roman. All right, so in that case, des will be taken away. All right, so remember, de plus un will become d'un. De plus une will become d'une. De plus des will become de. Okay, so you will have to take this des away. All right, so let's see now how it will work if we combine it with les articles définis. So le, la, and les. Okay, as we saw previously. Let's see now the examples. The first one, je parle du voisin. Voisin, here it's the masculine form of the neighbor. Le voisin, okay, the neighbor. And what you can see here is, well, the result of the combination of de plus le, okay? It will become du, okay, for the masculine form. Je parle du voisin, okay? So I talk about the neighbor. So let's see now how it will go. So I kept this neighbor, but then here it's the feminine form, so it's la voisine, all right? And what you can see here, je parle de la voisine, well, it will stay the same. So you keep your preposition, de, and then you put your article, la, and you put your name, or your word, sorry, voisine, okay? Je parle de la voisine. Nothing happens here, and it's a good thing. And then for the plural, as we had for a, remember, well, for the masculine singular and the plural, changes will happen. So, je parle des voisins. Here we've got the plural form of voisins, so neighbors, all right? Je parle des voisins. So remember, masculine, du, feminine, de la, and then the plural form. Plural, whether it's masculine or feminine, it will be the same, okay? So des, okay? So, let's write it like that. De plus le will become du. De plus la will stay the same. Nothing happens. De la. And then de plus les will become des.